118th day is a glorious day, it's a blessed day, it's a beautiful day. Addiction, addiction is what we choose to talk about today. It is killing our people, it is destroying our youths. You will know the type of addiction you're suffering under. It is called a plague because people are ashamed to come out in the open to accept the problems that they are going through. Your information is discreet. This program is discreet. Your solution will come to you in a discreet manner. It is you and you with math, spirit, the power behind, the force behind, the energy behind every invention, every investment, every marketing strategy. It will descend to you. This 118th day, let it not go by without you taking the right action. Connect back to your roots. And you're asking, how can I do it? If you have been following our words, you should know how to do it. Go follow the link that is provided. That link has made it possible. That technology has made it possible. A perfect engine, a perfect platform has been created. Not only are you going to bid addiction goodbye, but you're also going to beat poverty goodbye. Coach Emen reaching you, one of the LTB Light partners reaching you. You cannot do it alone. You will do it with a professional counselor, but you must do it with math. That is the missing link and the missing factor. You will do it with the medications, but the missing link is math. And here we offer you math, which is the answer that comes from spirit, which is by opening, invoking our inner mind, our inner heart, our inner soul. Together we can overcome this very problem. Together we can transform this problem of addiction into an opportunity. Take advantage of our trial period, our trial phase. Any amount that you place as the trial, take advantage of it. Take a step of faith, a leap of faith. Go in, see things for yourself. If this is the best fit for you, if you are called to be an LTB Light partner, you will recognize where you're coming from. You will know your root. If you are from the ancient of days, if you are from the sun, the rock of ages, you will recognize your truth and you will do the right thing. And let me tell you, it is not any counselor that is going to set you free. It is the truth that is going to set you free. Let me tell you, it is not any medication, any drugs that is going to set you free. It is the light that is going to lead you out of ancient Egypt, out of the plagues, to a position of power and freedom. I want you to understand this. Addiction did not start today. It is codified, blood all over the land of Egypt. If you read the plagues against the ancient Egyptians, while they were battling with that very plague, the eternal Egypt, the Israel inside Egypt, was not suffering from this very plague. There is a reason for it. It is because of the presence of math, which is truth, in their soul. Okay? So for you to immune yourself, for you to inoculate yourself away from this very plague, be humble, be noble, be honorable. Follow the link below this very message. Connect back to your root. It is discreet, it is fast, it is affordable. Download your 10-day exercise that breaks the power of addiction in your life, that seeks to ruin you and destroy your destiny. Download the pains of poverty that seeks to subdue you and subjugate you and make you a subject in life. The Green Book is a grace descended. It's a rock of ages descended. Again, you will see it vividly. It will lead you from the 1 to the 2 to the 3 to the 4 to the 5, and you see it with your eyes. And until that poverty, you see a way to end it, we have not ended our pay. No member of the LTB Light team has ended their pay. So that is why we call it a trial phase. When you see that potentially you can be able to do it, with what we have provided, then you can be able to pay us. Are we clear on this very bargain? This is business. This is not a charity organization, and this is not a non-profit organization. We pay our taxes. We shed no blood, but we shed our sweat in hard work. And when we deliver to you, when we have earned our pay, we are proud to be who we are, a partner with you for progress, a partner with you in healing, and so be it. Thank you so much for being here with us on this 118 day. Be careful to be here again tomorrow with us as this journey continues, being 119 day. And also remember that this journey continues till the 1001 day. This is a journal here online for our own people, for our own children, for our own generations. Do be well, my friend. Thank you.